Officials and residents of Quezon City paid tribute to a locally born heroine who was among the greatest of the country. Jules Giang reports.
Officials and citizens of Quezon City gathered at the Tandangsora National Shrine for the 202nd birth anniversary of Melchor Aquino, also known as Tandangsora. The venue is said to be the exact place where the heroine was born. Among the officials who attended were from the Quezon City government led by Mayor Herbert Bautista and Vice Mayor Joy Belmonte.
Tandansora, akala kalye na lang eh, no? So we're trying to, yung nire-revive natin sa kasarinlan, no? Doon sa mga bata na si Tandansora ay isang lehitimong taga Quezon City. At malaki ang kanyang naging bahagi sa pakikibaka laban sa dayuhang Kastila. At siya yung ina ng Katipunan. So tayo natutuwa dahil una taga Quezon City siya. Pinapakita niya yung kagalingan ng kababaihan nung araw pa, no? Maliban kila Gabriela Silang. Isa rin tanyag na kababaihan si Tandansora, Melchor Aquino.
Gusto natin mabuhay sa puso ng kabataan ang mga katangian ng paglilingkod, pagkakaroon ng magandang asal, pagmamahal sa bayan, katapangan, at marami pang iba na pinakita ni Tandansora noong panahon ng himagsikan.
One of the highlights of the program was the wreath-laying ceremony at the very monument of Tandangsora. It was followed by the conferment of the Tandangsora Award to multi-awarded broadcast journalist Maria Cristina Monzon Palma. After more than 2 centuries of Tandangsora's birth, it is our continued responsibility to ignite our efforts to honor her life and heroism, because her old age was never an excuse for her to help out to her countrymen. For People's Television, this is Jules Giang.